Hey guys, it's Kyler, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your Minecraft to be super bright like this with no lighting, and the best part is that it doesn't use any cheats. It uses only settings that are in the game. So I'm about to show you guys how to do that. Okay guys, so I'm in the game normally, and as you can see it's super dark down here. Even if I turn my brightness all the way up to bright, you can see that it's still hard to see down here. It's super dark. So I'm about to show you guys how to turn your brightness all the way up. And the first thing you're actually going to want to do is close out of your game, because we're going to have to access the settings from the file folders. Okay guys, so I've exited out of my game and now I'm on my desktop. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in %appdata%, and then you're going to want to open this file and then click on .minecraft. Then scroll down until you see options.txt. So you're going to want to double click on that, and then you're going to want to find gamma right here. So you're going to want to make sure that you put in a value that is at least 10, but basically just make this value as large as you want it to, and then press X and make sure that you save this document. Then you can exit out, start up Minecraft once again, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I'm in Minecraft with the new settings, and you'll see if I go into my single player world, as soon as it loads up, it should be really bright, and I'll be down in the caves so you guys can see perfectly. It's super bright down here, there's no lighting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like or subscribe. It really helps me. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.